My topic name is Rare and Orphan Drugs. Rare and orphan drugs are specialized medications developed to treat rare diseases, also known as orphan diseases. These diseases are defined by their low prevalence in the general population, typically affecting fewer than 2 lakh individuals. 2 lakh individuals in the United States or fewer than 1 in 2,000 people in the European Union. Despite their rarity, these diseases can be severely debilitating, life-threatening, and often chronic with a significant impact on the quality of life for patients and their families. Orphan drug development and challenges. The development of orphan drugs is fraught with challenges primarily due to the limited market size. Pharmaceutical companies face significant financial risk in developing drugs for such a small patient population, as the potential return on investment is often insufficient to cover the high cost associated with research, development, and the regulatory approval. Additionally, the clinical trials for orphan drugs are more complex due to the limited number of patients for limited number of patients available to participate, which complicates the design, recruitment, and statistical validation processes. Regulatory incentives and, and legislation to encourage the development of treatment for rare diseases. Governments worldwide have enacted legislation that provides incentives to pharmaceutical companies. In the United States, the Orphan Drug Act ODA for of 1983 offers benefits such as tax credits for clinical trial cost, market exclusivity for 7 years post approval, and expansion from certain regulatory fields. Similarly, the European Medicine Agency (EMA) provides a range of incentives, including 10 years of market exclusivity, fee reduction, and access to scientific advice during the development process. Orphan drug designation Orphan drug designation is a special status granted by regulatory bodies to encourage the development of therapies for rare diseases. A drug or biologic can receive this designation if it is intended to treat a condition affecting a small population, or if it shows a potential to provide significant therapeutic benefit over existing treatments. This designation does not guarantee approval but rather facilitates the drug's development through various forms of supports. Market dynamics and pricing. The pricing of orphan drugs is a complex and often controversial issue due to the small patient populations and high development cost. Orphan drugs are typically priced at a premium. The high cost is justified by the need to recom, recom investment and fund further research. However, it also raises concerns about accessibility and the financial burden on healthcare systems and patients. Some countries have implemented policies to manage the cost and ensure access to these essential therapies, but the balancing innovation and the affordability remains an ongoing challenge. Examples of the orphan drugs over the years. Several orphan drugs have made a significant impact on the treatment of rare diseases. For instance, Spinraza, Nucin, developed for spinal muscular atrophy and calideco, targeting specific mutations in cystic fibrosis, have transformed the prognosis for patients with these conditions. These drugs not only offer therapeutic benefits but also highlight the importance of continued investment in orphan drug development. Thank you.